Hey guys, good morning, and this is Awal here. And in this video, I'll talk about how to link the CAD file into the Revit. Whenever you required to show the changes of CAD file into the Revit file directly, in that case, you can use the CAD linking option in the Revit. So, sometime you receive the modification from the client into the CAD file and at that time, you need to show all those changes. You need to show in the Revit file. In that case, you can use the link CAD option. So once you modify the CAD file and when you reload the CAD file into Revit, and all changes will be visible in the Revit file. So I'll explain the whole process for linking and how to see the modified CAD file and how to reload the CAD file into the Revit. So instead of wasting time, let's get started. So over here we have one project and in this project I'll link the CAD file. So for the linking the CAD file, you need to go over here insert tab and here you will find the link CAD option. So just click on that. Now here I'll choose this CAD file link. So I'll select this file and here we have different settings. So I have already made the tutorial on how to import CAD file. In that tutorial, I have explained all these options for the importing CAD file or linking the CAD file. I have explained in the deep in that tutorial, so you can check it out from the description. I will attach the link of that tutorial, and also you can check it out from the I button upper right corner. So now here I'll set the few settings. So I'll select over here keep current view only. I'll check this option here. I'll choose preserve and for the layers I'll select all over here. Okay, auto detected, that's fine. And here I'll choose the manual origin. Okay, and click on the open. Now as you can see यहाँ पे हमारी CAD फाइल जो है वो यहाँ पे लिंक हो चुकी है. So once you use the visibility command VV, so here you will find the in the imported category. So here you will find we have one CAD file, that is CAD file link over here, or we have another way, that is we can go to manage link over here and uh, in the CAD format, here you will find the linked CAD file. So over here, we have linked the CAD file to the Revit project. Now, suppose I have opened over here that CAD file which we link to the Revit file. So over here, I'll make some changes to the CAD file and I'll show you how the changes are reflected on the Revit file. So let me make the few changes over here. So over here, I'm deleting some element. Okay, so I'm deleting this furniture. Yeah, I'm deleting this furniture randomly just to show you how the changes will be reflected on the Revit file when we reload the linked CAD file. ओके, सो यहाँ पे हमने कुछ फर्नीचर को यहाँ पे हमने डिलीट किया है एंड लेट्स डिलीट फ्यू डायमेंशन ओवर हियर. ओके, सो यहाँ पे हमने कुछ डायमेंशन को यहाँ पे डिलीट किया है. सो लाइक दिस वे यहाँ पे मैं randomly just deleting the element just to show you whatever changes we made, how it will be reflect on the Revit file when we reload the CAD file into the Revit project. So in the CAD file, you can make the revision based on the client inputs and just at the end you need to save the CAD file. So यहाँ पे मैं CAD file को सेव कर रहा हूँ. ओके, सो यहाँ पे हमारी CAD फाइल जो है वो सेव हो गई है. ओके, नाउ विल जंप टू रैबिट फाइल एंड हियर now over here you need to go to manage tab over here and here you will find the manage link. And now go to CAD format over here. So here you will find our linked CAD file. So just select, and over here you can just click on the reload option and again click on the OK. So now as you can see, यहाँ से हमारे जो डायमेंशन हमने जो डिलीट किया था, यहाँ से हॉलवे का टैग और यहाँ से हमने फर्नीचर को यहाँ पे डिलीट किया था। सो यहाँ पे वो सारे चेंजेस जो है वो यहाँ पे कैड फाइल में, सॉरी इन द रैविट फाइल, यहाँ पे सारे चेंजेस जो है वो यहाँ पे रिफ्लेक्ट हो रहे हैं। सो हियर आई वुड लाइक टू शेयर अनदर मेथड टू रीलोड द कैड फाइल. So let me undo this, and here you will find the manage link. Just do right click, and here you will find manage link. So यहाँ से भी आप कैड फॉर्मेट जो है, जो भी कैड फाइल हमने लिंक की है उसको आप यहाँ से भी रिलोड कर सकते हो. सो यहाँ पे जस्ट आपको रिलोड के ऊपर क्लिक करना है, अगेन क्लिक ऑन दी ओके. सो यहाँ पे सारे चेंजेस जो है वो रिफ्लेक्ट हो रहे हैं. So like this way you can link the CAD file into the Revit. So I hope you understood all process, and I hope you understood the real purpose of linking the CAD file into the Revit. So if you really like our tutorial, please leave one like and share it with your friends. So wait for the another video. Have a good day. Bye bye. Thank you.